So good evening to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex share. So we know that today the stock has given a very good retracement from the levels that we have discussed in our previous videos, especially the 55 rupees level from where the stock has given a retracement and it has crossed the 60 rupees level with almost 9% positive movement. So I've received many requests to make a separate technical analysis video on Subex. So we'll try to find out what would be the next possible targets, and also the most important thing, there are few updates, especially related to US federal government where the company has received certain amount. So what are those details, we'll try to understand. So that particular latest update I've posted in Telegram also. So do join the Telegram group if you have not done that, so that you'll not miss any instant updates. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first we'll discuss about the update that the company has posted in the BSE website. So you can see the date is May 25th, that is today, and you can see the title is Waiver of Loan Received by Subex under Paycheck Protection Program from United States of Federal Government. So I'll try to explain clearly, not in a complicated way. So I'll quickly go through what is the update. So you can see that the US federal government, okay, in wake of COVID-19 pandemic has provided basically support to small businesses through a paycheck protection program, which is also called PPP, in which Subex have obtained so benefit of the scheme, and you can see amount as well. It is mentioned almost $7,99,167, which is roughly equivalent to 600 lakhs during May 2020. So this is the major update. So apart from that, if you go further down, you can see this loan is eligible for forgiveness on fulfillment of certain conditions, where you can see the Subex is no longer required to repay any loan of almost $799,167, and the interest amount whatever which is present, you can see around $8,302.46. So this is the interest amount. So that is received as a business loan under this particular PPP scheme. So you can see this is the good update that company has received. So on that particular note itself, so today from the technical point of view as well as on the latest update, so completely the stock has performed very well and it has closed above the 60 rupees level. Okay, so these are the main things that I wanted to convey. So quickly let's go to technical charts, and also we'll see how the deliveries are increasing on a regular basis. Okay, so when we go to the delivery section, so clearly you can see yesterday itself the deliveries have increased. So can you see that? So from 40 you can see increased to 44, after that 45, again yesterday itself we have seen 53.6. so there is something okay, news already present, so that's why some good deliveries were being added near that particular region. So I also clearly told you focus near 53, 55. If you want to add, I told go in some good quantities if you are interested for any swing or short-term trade. So clearly I also discussed that. So many people have invested, and accordingly even the stock has retraced. So you can, that's why I tell you need to see how the deliveries are also increasing, so that you will get the complete clarity and you will also have the confidence when you're investing in any heavy amounts. So that time you need to do this particular analysis. Okay, so this is one thing. So now let's go to charts. Okay, so we're back on to 1 week chart, and you can see today as usual you can see 61 rupees is the closing and 9.22% is the positive movement. And you can see this is the base support that I already discussed, 53, 55 in that particular region I discussed to add in this particular stock. And earlier we know little correction was seen because of the quarter results, and I clearly told so that is not a matter, because coming quarters are going to play a crucial role for the company. So previous quarters I told to completely neglect that. So as usual many people followed that. So immediately what is the resistance, so that you need to understand. So resistance is 65 rupees. So this is going to be a near term level that you need to watch out. And coming to support as usual 60, first main thing is 60. So since it has given closing, so in coming sessions, you need to observe that whether the 60 rupees level is being respected or not. So once it is respecting that, it is trading in that region only, definitely you can go for long position and you can add some very good quantity. So focus on 65 rupees. So that is resistance. So once it breaks that, we can expect some very good fast movement in the stock. Okay, so this is on weekly chart, and money flow index as usual, it is near 86 in weekly time frame, so that is not a big deal. So quickly let's go to 1-day chart also. Okay, so we're back onto 1-day chart of Subex, and you can see this was the pivot region as usual, 55. You can also compare today's low. So today's low was also around 55. So there only the huge volumes have been generated, and 64, you can see here is the next pivot resistance where already the company has faced little correction. So now again it will try to approach that, definitely focus there. If it is crossing with good volume, again you can expect direct 70 plus in the stock. Okay, that is very important thing that you need to watch. Apart from that, everything is good. You can see money flow index is also near 72, so not completely in overbought region. So these are the main things that I wanted to convey, especially the update from the US federal government. Hope you have understood that. Also I've uploaded in Telegram. You can zoom and clearly you can read that as well. If you're having any further queries, you can message me in comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.